Hey guys, nah, Foxy Boy, back with another video. You can hear like wind stuff here. I don't know what's happening to the speaker, but I know I'm in pajamas. It's like 8:50 Eastern, 8:50. I just want to say that my mom's phone is about to die, but I want to say quick. I don't think I'm gonna be playing like games anymore and stuff like that because some of the stuff it just said, this video has no sound. I was just making an echo, like Google Translate video. Google Translate video. Google Translate video. So guys, I'm not gonna make any video recording videos and stuff like that. I'm just gonna do vlogs. But if I could either fix what's happening and take away this screen doesn't have sound anymore, take that away, make it have sound. I just made a Google Translate like 8 minutes ago, or no, not 8 minutes ago. It just turned 8:50, so that's probably 9 or 10 minutes ago. But it says this video has no sound. I was trying I cried a little bit, but I was talking, but it said it had no sound. I just want to explain this all to you, so I'm just not gonna make any videos like that no more because of that. So much noise upstairs. I'm back here by myself, and my cousin just fell, or my brother hit my cousin or something like that. I don't know what happened, but I just want to say that I'm not going to make it no more. I just want to explain to you what I said in Google Translate. I was doing some creepy stuff, and if you could read what's down there, what that blue thing said, you could read it. If you want me to make another Google Trans video, I can, but I don't think it's gonna have any sound. But if it doesn't, I'm just gonna say nothing, make another video. I'll explain. So in this comment below, or that one, if you're gonna watch it, that comment below if you want to hear another Google Translate, or you want me to stop doing that and just have no sound. Comment down below in this video. You still want me to do that, or just no more? Okay, so I just only want to say 8:52. Good night, everybody. Have a great night. See you tomorrow morning, and